New York City's food scene is ever evolving. A new flavor is taking root, led by the ingenuity and passion of Black women. Across the boroughs, Black women-owned restaurants are experiencing a period of remarkable growth. This isn't just a culinary trend, it's a cultural movement. This movement signifies empowerment and reclaiming a narrative. For generations, Black women have nourished their communities with soulful food traditions. Now they are stepping into the spotlight, sharing their heritage and culinary artistry with the world. These restaurants are more than places to eat. They are vibrant community spaces. They are platforms for storytelling, for celebrating Black culture, and for fostering economic empowerment. This movement is a testament to resilience, creativity, and the unwavering spirit of Black women. Meet Chef Akila, owner of Spice and Soul in Brooklyn. Her restaurant is a love letter to Caribbean flavors, using family recipes passed down through generations. Her jerk chicken, marinated for 24 hours, is a neighborhood favorite. In Harlem, Chef Nia's Sweet Potato Soul offers a modern take on Southern comfort food. Her vegan mac and cheese, made with a cashew-based cheese sauce, is a revelation. These are just two examples of the many talented Black women chefs reshaping NYC's culinary landscape. From Ethiopian injera to Senegalese thiboudien, the city is becoming a melting pot of diverse Black culinary traditions. The path to success in the restaurant industry is rarely smooth, especially in a competitive market like New York City. Black women restaurateurs often face unique challenges. Access to capital can be a major hurdle. Systemic biases and lack of representation within the industry can create additional obstacles. Yet, these women persevere. They are resourceful, resilient, and driven by a passion for sharing their culinary heritage. Many are finding support through community organizations and initiatives dedicated to empowering minority-owned businesses. Mentorship programs and networking opportunities are providing valuable resources and guidance. The impact of this movement extends beyond the plate. These restaurants are fostering cultural exchange and dialogue. They are introducing diners to new flavors, ingredients, and culinary traditions. They are preserving culinary legacies, ensuring that recipes and cooking techniques passed down through generations continue to thrive. This movement is a celebration of Black excellence, creativity, and the power of food to connect us all. As Black women-owned restaurants continue to flourish, they are redefining the culinary landscape of New York City, one delicious bite at a time. They are making their mark, claiming their seat at the table, and enriching the city's tapestry of flavors.